Just another angle here of the ultimate miter saw stand set up with the Festool Kapex. Can't say enough good things about this saw. It's pretty incredible, as well as most of the Festools. Got the MFT3 in the back there, and the TS55 and the OF1400 router. Just doing some back panels on a back of the cabinets over here, just to give it a little bit of detail. Did that one there, and then just around on the back side of the bar here, just kind of got a little creative. 5 separate panels. I don't know if you can see the detail on here. It's just a simple little rotor bit trim there. Try to match up the profile of the existing cabinets, similar to that. So hopefully the next video I'll be all wrapped up here and on to the next job. Thanks for watching.